welcome back to my channel. Dana Cole here, and for those of you who do not know me, I am a photographer based out of Oslo, Norway. And I don't know if I told you guys this, but I am in the middle of a 30-day daily vlogging YouTube challenge. This is day 3. I have done 2 already, as you saw the last 2 days. This particular week is product week, so I will be focusing on all things product. Yesterday I showed you how you can do skincare or other type of products with a nice clean light. The day before I recreated an image I did. So today we are going to get colorful and we're going to get a little bit more creative. Now, anyone who knows me and my work, at least who knows my work, know I love color. However, a lot of product photography type of clients, they're not necessarily into a whole lot of color. So you will not get these type of clients a lot. When you get them, it's cool, it's fun, but that is what we are going to do today. I'm going to show you my setup. I am going to show you first the product that I will be getting a bit creative colorfully with today. So it's just going to be these 3 here. And I'm going to just show you guys how I would set this up. We're going to play with plants, live plants. I feel live plants and flowers look the best when you're doing product photography like this, just because the product is so close to the plants and the flowers. So if they're fake, if they're fake plants or flowers and they look like really fake, it just brings down the whole image to me, and some clients are that way as well. So when you can use real plants and flowers, it's best if they're going to be, you know, super close and in focus with your product. Okay, so enough of me talking about this. Let's just go ahead and get into the setup. All right. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be my final setup for this particular shoot. I might change a little bit of the branches and plants here and there, but for the most part, this is what it is going to look like. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it opened up a little creativity for you to get in your studio, home studio, wherever you shoot, and try this out yourself. It was very fun to do. It took me about an hour to do the setup. Of course, you guys didn't see the whole length of that, but I like the way it turned out. And for this, I used 2 lights. I used the 2 Profoto D1 500 Air, and I used an Elinchrom Snap Lux Softbox and a Profoto Medium Deep Silver Umbrella. I am really liking these 2 together at the moment. The light they produce is really awesome. The Elinchrom Snap Lux Softbox, it's about the size of a beauty dish, a little bigger, but I am really enjoying it. Like I said, it's super easy to put up, take down, and the light from it is just, the soft light from it is just beautiful. So I do hope you guys give this a try. If you are a member of my Facebook group and you do give this a try, post your images so y'all can see, so I can see. I would love to see what your creative selves come up with. And I think that's going to be all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 5 of this challenge I am on, although I already missed 1 day, so it's really going to be day 6. But yeah, I was busy. All right, you guys, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye.